Forecast. Meteorologists forecast rain for the weekend. Analysts are forecasting slower growth this quarter. The Bureau has forecast a mild winter. Economists have been forecasting a recovery for months. They forecast a storm, but the sky stayed clear. We were forecasting record sales when the market crashed. The team had forecast the shortage before prices rose. The model had been forecasting drought for weeks before the rains failed. The service will forecast the weather for the whole region. I will be forecasting demand throughout the planning cycle. By Friday, the panel will have forecast next year's budget. By then, the agency will have been forecasting trends for 50 years.